everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to unbox this box from Amazon again. Okay, let's start. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. From Amazon, guys. Oh wow. Oh wow. Another box from Amazon. Oh, what is this? You know what I got? I will show you guys. This one is water filter pitcher. It's nice, really nice. Dun, 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 dun. Unboxing. Thank you so much. Yeah. So, pwede na kami uminom ng tubig na malinis at pangluto. Oh, may tatlong ano na siya, free, what you call this one, filter. I don't know, filter inside. Just like this, open it. Oh, not just 3, 4 pieces, 5. Free filter. Nice. Thank you so much. So much. May kasama pa siya. Guide, guys. How to use and how to clean. Okay? So just follow the instructions. Thank you. Thank you so much. Another one. What is this? Oh, what is this? Colorful. Ah, for exercise. Ang ganda. 4 colors. Exercise bands. I think that's the name of the thing. Whoa. Toaster. Pwede na ako bumili ng bread. Is this working? If not, we'll have a guess. May ganito din siya guys, guide how to use. So kung gusto mo yung bread mo burn, kung nagwa-whitey ka, may tendency ka nito. Depende, pwede mo i-adjust siya guys. So may guide naman siya how to use it. So thank you so much for this gift. Black color. Kompleto na ako ng gamit sa kusina. Kasi ito lang ang wala sa akin. So ito mga ito ang wala. Okay. This one. Oh, so cute. Gray color. This one is a coffee maker. May isa-isa na ko. This is a coffee maker. May guide din siya, guys, how to use it. So just follow the instructions para hindi siya ma-damage. May protection. Can you see that? This one. You can find it. You can put the water in the. I think this one is for the water and for the coffee. I'm not sure. Yay! Black color coffee maker, coffee machine. Open it. Open. Yes. And put one in here. I don't know where to put the water. I think like that. And close it. On the other side. I don't know how. Coffee maker. So, magkano niya? So, nakita namin. Okay. Thank you. That's it for today's video. May ano siya, guys, ganito. But I don't know how to use it. To check the guide. And like this. Just simple coffee maker. What in here? You have to put one thing in here. I think to open in this side. This is a water refilling, maybe. Water refilling. What's the purpose of this one? Launcher cleaner. Balik na natin. Kasi tapos na ang unboxing. So have another one of small things. What is this? Oh, this is for the face. Cream. Let's open it. So this is for my skin. Okay. I know I need to be loved. Oh, this cream. This one smells good. How smells? This is for the skin. That's all. No more. Thank you. to try this one. I want to open one of this. Try this. Exercise para relieve ang mga puso. Alright. Let's try the red one. Red is a seductive color. Oh, actually, this is many color. So, 1, 2. Ang daming color niya. May red, yellow, and blue. So, marami siyang colors, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.